Changing the phone number associated with your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Info. Once signed in, look for the Personal Info section in the left sidebar. Click on it to view your personal information settings. Step 3. Update phone number. In the Personal Info section, find the Contact Info area. Click on Phone to see your current phone number. Select the option to edit or update it. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button and click it to confirm the update. Now your phone number is successfully changed in your Google account. Remember to keep your contact information up to date for account security and recovery options.